Hello everyone, welcome today on Monday August the 10th 2020. We have here in the daily newspaper only one regular medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus, 6 Sudokus, so we have 7 Sudokus to go. And the first one, a regular Sudoku, medium Sudoku, this one will be number 1316. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. How many printed numbers are in this medium Sudoku? If I compare with the extra Sudokus, the 1-star Sudoku has 27. The 4-star Sudokus has 24. But how many has this Sudoku medium? Let me count. 3, 4, 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 5 is 16, 18. 18 plus 7 is 25, plus 1 is 26. 26, if we compare, this will be a 2-star Sudoku. So let's get started. We have here a big square, only 2 missing numbers, the 6 and the 4. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then let me see. How about this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. So no 8 in this box. An 8 in this big square. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here already a 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then. Let me see. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 8 in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Need more information. Yeah. How about the number 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing in this row, and the 5 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then how about the 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then, yeah, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So in this column we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next we have a 5 over there. So in the first column the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about the 9 in this big square? 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. So the 9 could be here or could be there. In this column we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next we have a 9 over there. So in the last column the only place for the 9 should be there. 9, 3, 1, 3, 1. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then 5, 6, 4, 2, 1 is missing in this big square. The 3 is missing. I cannot do anything. 1, 3 and the 7. No. Need more information. 3, 2, 3 and 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 5, 1, 3, 3. Alright. In this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. Here the 3 and the 9. The 3 and the 9 in this column. 3 and the 9 cannot do anything. 6. Here should be the 6, 6, 6. 6. Alright. How about these 3 boxes? 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. And the 6 is missing. Cannot do anything. 1, 1. Yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1. No 1 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1, 1. 3 can be everywhere, and a 7 should be here. Alright. So we have a 2 here. One of the missing number is a 2 in this big square. We have a 2 here, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. I need a pair. How about the 2 is missing the 5, 1. The 7 is missing. Alright, we have a 7 here. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. So we have a 7 in this row, a 7 in the first row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. And here, I see here cannot be a 7. And we have a 7 here. Oh, alright. So, in this column, we have a 7 in this big square. So, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 7, no 7 in that box. So, the 7 could be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. In one of those 2 boxes is a 7. This box cannot be a 7. So, 1 box left for the 7 should be there. These 2 are a pair, 2 and a 7. Let me mark them for you so it's easier to follow. So the 7 should be here and there. I cannot do anything, need more information. These 2 should be the 6 and the 9. Let me mark them also for you. It's a pair so you can follow it is easier. So the other 3 numbers are the 1, the 3. Oh, we have a 9 here. So this box can, I remember these 2 boxes, the 3 and the 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now I have a 7 here, so this cannot be anymore as 7. So this should be the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So middle column, those 2 boxes. Could be a 7, we have a 7, so this should be the 7. 319. 319, the 1 should be there. 1 should be there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 also there, no 1 here. 1 box left for the 1, should be there. 4, 3, and 6. 4, 3, and 6. 5, 5, 5. Yes. All right. 6, 6. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And I have eliminated the 5, I think. But let me count first. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Eliminated the 5 because we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2. Those two, 6 and a 3. These two, the 6 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 and a 4. No, cannot do anything. 6 and a 4. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now I have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 6. We have a 6 now, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be the 9. One box left in this first column for the number 3. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. These two, also 1 and the 9 in the last row. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 1. 1 box left in this box for the number 1. These two should be the 7 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. 7 and a 3. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 4. How about these two numbers in this column? The 2 is missing and the 9 is missing. The 2 and the 9. 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We have a 2 here in one of those 2 boxes, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row for the 9 and the 2. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now I have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the extra Sudokus, the additional with 6 extra Sudokus. So see you later. Bye bye for now.